na na na. Strike your pose is a perfect picture, my na 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 na. Nothing feels better than when I get you, na 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 na.
Missing someone.
So guys, just an advice, the setup I got, this is supposed to be a shoe rack, like it's a shoe rack that has a cover, but what I got isn't what I ordered. Like you can see there, it's way bigger. I'll attach a picture of what I wanted to get here, but like the rods are not the right size. There are a lot of spaces, as you can see. Before I could get, there was even an issue when I got it. The white connecting stuff was not inside. I had to wait 2 weeks before I could get it. And after I got it, when I was trying to put it together, I found out that it was like dimensions were just off. Like it was too long. That's why the cloth isn't covering the whole thing. So if you are getting it, just make sure you check. Make sure you check before you leave the place you are getting it from. So this is the box I've been keeping my scarves in since when I got back, since I didn't have any space to put it. As you guys can see, I have a lot of scarves inside this box, the whole box. I'm just happy I have this now, that I could use to put all this in.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
And it turned out really great. And even though this is not the setup I ordered for, I'm still happy about the result I got. Like I can see all my scarves, they are well neatly arranged, and now I now see that I don't have that much scarf as I thought. So now there's space for improvement. Like I can get more scarves and like fill this up. And if any brand wants to send me some more scarves, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.